So you're on Kajabi, but you're trying to figure out how to make more money on the platform. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 of my top stupidly simple ways to increase your revenue using Kajabi. These are things that you can put into practice right now. And for each one of these, I'm actually going to give you a video that I've made for each one of them. And in one case, an entire playlist so that you can put these into practice. In this video, I'm going to give you all 5. I'm going to explain how to do them on Kajabi. Then I'm going to give you the video so that you can take it and run with it on the platform. Now, if you have an online business and you're not on Kajabi, now is the time to join Kajabi, to bring your business over to Kajabi. Or if you're just starting out, you might as well do it right from the start on Kajabi. You can use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, which is more than double what you get if you just go to kajabi.com. And you're going to get 3 amazing bonuses. One of them is my masterclass that I made called The Top 3 Mistakes That New Kajabi Users Make. You're also going to get my exclusive course called the Kajabi Accelerator, which will help you get the best possible start on the platform. And you're going to get my 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, but at no additional cost to you. So lanesebring.com/Kajabi, 30-day free trial, all those bonuses so you can get going on the platform. So let's talk about the 5 things that you can do to increase revenue on Kajabi. Now, the thing about online business is there are lots of different levers that you can pull at any given time to either get more leads, draw more attention, sell more courses, get more people onto your membership. But what we're going to focus on in this video is specifically what you can do using Kajabi to increase your revenue, to make more money. We're going to go in descending order from my 5th favorite to my 1st favorite, because they're all my favorite. These are all the best ways. Coming in at number 5, offer at least 2 pricing options for every product that you sell. Preferably, you're going to offer 3. What do I mean by this? It's called pricing tiers. So for example, if you're selling a course, you're going to give people more than 1 option when they're buying that course. I think 2 is better than 1, and 3 is better than 2. The reason why you want to do this is because when someone is considering whether or not to buy your course, they get to the bottom of the sales page that you made that was beautifully designed on Kajabi, and they see one option, the course that they're sold on it. They want it, but they're still trying to figure out, is it for them? They get down at the bottom and they see the course is X amount. Let's say it's $297. So the question that they're asking in their mind is, should I buy or should I not buy? That's the question, if there's only one option. But let's say that they get to the bottom of that sales page, and instead of there being 1 option, there's 2. So there's a $297 base price on the course, but there's a $397 premium option. I did this with my first course that I launched over at my other online business, Preaching Donkey. I had a course called Killer Sermons Academy. The base course was $297, and the premium tier, I called it the platinum version, was $397. What I found is that almost everybody went for the $397 option. Almost everybody. It was so much better to go with $397 because it was only $100 more, but it came with like a mountain of bonuses. And so the $297 anchor the product, but for just $100 more, it's almost like tripled or quadrupled in its actual value, but it's only $100 more. So going back to that person experiencing your sales page, if they get to the bottom of your sales page and they see 2 options instead of 1, now the proposition in their mind is not, should I buy or should I not buy? It's, which one should I buy? So we've completely changed the equation that's going on psychologically inside of them. They've already made the assumption that they want it. It's just a matter of which one. So on Kajabi, you can easily do pricing tiers when you build your sales page. At the bottom of your sales page, or where you're probably going to put in the final list of everything that comes with your course and how much it costs. You're going to select the pricing card inside of Kajabi while you're building your sales page, and it's going to give you an option to do 2 or 3 or 1, and you're going to pick at least 2. Now, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions in this video right here. So you click on that and you can see exactly how to set this up on Kajabi. But pricing tiers are going to help you make more money on Kajabi. All right, number 4, bundle your offers. Here's what I mean. Let's say that you have more than one product on Kajabi. I always encourage people to start with a mini course because they're easy to make. You can make them very quickly. They can solve one problem, solve it very well, and they can deliver a win to your customers, and you can get it out into the world very soon. Once you have a mini course, it's now time to either make a flagship course or a membership community, or maybe another mini course so you have a couple of selections of those. Let's say that you build 2 mini courses. They both solve different problems. They both solve them quickly, and they both solve them well. And let's say mini course A is $100 and mini course B is also $100. Well, if you bundle those 2 things together, and instead of selling it for $200, sell it for $150, now all of a sudden it's become way more intriguing to your customers. So they can either buy your courses as one product, or they can put them together, get a better deal on all of them. So you can either have this as a permanent offer. I've seen this a lot where people just say, hey, you can buy XYZ course for all these different prices, or if you put them all together, here's the bundle price for everything we have. I've seen it as a permanent offer, or the way I like to do it is during promotions. So if it's Black Friday, you email your list. I did this a lot over at Preaching Donkey, where I'd put all my courses together, give it a name, give it a package, and say, here is the bundle offer. Now, the way to do this on Kajabi is Kajabi separates the actual product, like say the course, from the offer itself. And I love this. I did not have this ability when I was on Teachable before I moved to Kajabi. The course just had a price. Well, on Kajabi, it's different. The product is a product that exists inside an offer, and you can make that offer whatever you want. So the offer can be just the course itself, and you can give it a price and sell it. Or the offer can include the course and something else like a coaching product, or maybe another course that's bundled inside of it. And so that's what you want to do, is take 2 of the products, put them inside of one offer that offers those 2 courses for a different price than they would be if they were both together, discounted a little bit, and then email that out to your list or promote it in whatever promotional way you want to do it. But you can do that easily on Kajabi, and I will show you exactly how in this video right here. So number 5, we had pricing tiers. Number 4, we had bundle offers. My third favorite way to make more money on Kajabi is using one-click upsells. This is one of the best ways to take someone who has already bought with you, they're already a customer, and give them an opportunity to spend more money with you. They're going to get more value, but they're also going to spend more money. So the way one-click upsells work is they're on your sales page. They click to buy. They put in their credit card information. They say, yes, confirm purchase. And then the very next thing they see is another offer. And what's amazing about the way Kajabi does this is it keeps their credit card information live. So they don't actually have to enter it again. It removes that friction. And so what this is often called is a one-time offer. What you want to do with a one-click upsell is you want to offer something that is so valuable in that moment that they can only get for that price or in that way right then and there if they purchase at that moment. So they're already buying your course, and the very next thing they see is maybe an offer to buy another course, but at a discount. So let's go back to, let's say that you have those 2 mini courses that we've talked about, a $100 mini course and another one. And they buy the $100 mini course, and then the very next thing they see is a one-time offer, a one-click upsell to add the other course on for maybe a discount, maybe $70 instead of $100. And you say on that page, you can't get it anywhere else for this price. That's how you do one-click upsells. And this can increase your revenue in amazing ways. Anytime I've ever utilized the one-click upsell, it kind of blows me away how many people actually do go ahead and purchase the one-click upsell. Now, how do you do this on Kajabi? It's super simple. When you're building your checkout page, there's actually a little section in there that's called one-click upsell. And I can show you exactly how to put this together in this video right here. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, so number 5 was pricing tiers. Number 4 was bundle your offers. Number 3 was one-click upsells. And now we've gotten to my second favorite way to make more money on Kajabi, and that is order bumps. Order bumps have made me so much money. Let me explain how this works. Now, you might confuse one-click upsells with order bumps, but they're very, very simple to understand the difference. A one-click upsell, which we just talked about, happens after they purchase. So they've already hit purchase, and then the next screen that they see offers them another thing to buy. They can either decline it or they can say, yes, I want to purchase. And their credit card information is already all still in there. The order bump is actually a little checkbox on the checkout page right in the section where they are about to click purchase. You can have a little thing that says, do you want to add such and such? And there's just a little text box that you can add with a little bit of information about what it is. So the idea behind order bumps is the exact same principle as when you're standing in line at the grocery store. There's always going to be options right there at the checkout. You want gum, you want a candy bar, you want a magazine, and they're really, really easy to grab. Oh, I'm checking out. Oh yeah, I want to get this gum. Throw it in there. Easy peasy. My kids are with me. They see a candy bar. They want it. Sure, why not? Go ahead. That is the same principle. I'm already purchasing this course. And in my case, over at Preaching Donkey, I had an order bump called the Storytelling Secrets Masterclass. It was a little 45-minute masterclass that I put together on how to do storytelling better inside of your sermons. And so they're already purchasing a course on how to write and deliver messages, write and deliver sermons. And so as they're purchasing their course, there's a little checkbox that says, do you want to add Storytelling Secrets Masterclass? And then I just had a few bullets. It does this, it does this, it does this. Add it to your purchase now. At first, I ran this for $67 and people bought it. You know, it was something where maybe half of the people who purchased added the order bump, which was nice. But then I changed it where instead of pricing it at 67, I actually crossed out 67 and made it 47. That one change took it from 50-50 to 80-20. I got to the point where 80% of people who bought my course added Storytelling Secrets Masterclass. 8 out of 10 people. And that goes back to a whole nother principle of price anchoring. It's like, hey, it was 67, now it's 47. You can only get it here. That's the way order bumps work. If you don't currently have an order bump attached to your checkout page for anything you're selling on Kajabi, just do it. Make something. Make a written PDF guide that goes with your course. Make some kind of set of downloadables or digital assets that go with it, templates, anything like that that would help people in a deeper way in your course. Or in my case, what I did, like having a masterclass that complements the course. Do something, offer it for a price that is less than your course, still enough to be valuable, but is going to be that kind of impulse buy. In my case, they're already spending $397. This is just another $47. It's a pretty easy proposition. And so they did it. And by the way, I also ran it on my $100 mini course, same price, same product, and 80% of people still did it, which took it from 100 to 150, or technically 97 to 144. So my average order value would have been 97 without it, ended up being 144. Now averaged, it's 8 out of 10. So you get the idea, 135 or so average per order. I'm getting in the weeds. The point is, just experiment with it. And if you want to know exactly step-by-step how to build an order bump into your Kajabi checkout page, I have a step-by-step guide for you right here. Click there for that. All right, so we've gone through 4 of my top 5. Number 5 was pricing tiers, have different things at different prices. Number 4 was bundling offers together and giving them at a slight discount when they're bundled together, or even a sharp discount. Number 3 was one-click upsells. Love, love, love the one-click upsell, and especially when you make it a one-time offer. Number 2 was the order bump, which I'm a massive fan of because I've just seen it work so many times. Now, what is number 1? What is the number 1 thing that you can do on Kajabi to increase your revenue, to make more money on Kajabi? that is stupidly simple. It's so stupidly simple that it's right in front of you. That number one thing is send more emails. Send more emails. In this business, the more emails you send, the more money you make. Now, there's lots of objection to this. You might say, well, people will get angry with me. Okay, fine. They'll unsubscribe. People will think I'm being salesy. Well, send better emails while you're sending more. So send more, but send better ones. Send more better emails. Okay, well, people will think that I'm trying to make money. Yeah, like you are trying to make money. That's okay. The whole point of this business is that you have offered so much free, valuable content to your people that by the time they take you up on your lead magnet and get on your email list, it is now, you have earned the right. It is now time to offer them what you are selling. And if you believe in it, which you should, and it's really going to help them, and it should, it better, then you need to send more emails. And Kajabi makes this super easy and stupidly simple. I have a playlist for you. It's right here. It's called the Email Marketing Magic playlist. It'll walk you through how to set everything up inside of Kajabi and send not just more emails, but better emails, and make sure that they're targeted, because you will sell more. Now, if you put all of this together, you've got a good bundle offer. You've got pricing tiers on the products that you have. You've got one-click upsells. You've got order bumps, and you're putting all this together by sending more email so people know more about it. You almost can't lose. Like if you do all 5 of these things using Kajabi, you will make more money. Now, there's 2 things that you might be wondering. Number one is, how do I put this kind of business together? Let's say you're on Kajabi and you're trying to figure out, well, how does all this work? I have an amazing guide for you. It's a PDF that I put together. It's called the Super Simple Guide to Starting a Thriving Online Business. You can find it at lanesebring.com/supersimple. It'll walk you through exactly all the foundational steps that I use to build my multiple 6-figure online business. And go ahead and join Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Get all my bonuses plus the 30-day free trial, and you can put all of this into practice and start making more money on Kajabi. Now, in the meantime, check out this video right here called the only video you need to watch to start your thriving online business. So click right there, and I'll see you in that video.